Hello, my name is Jeremy.Orlando, and I'm standing in front of the Northern Lite 9.6 long bed truck camper. Follow me around, let's take a look at this beautiful 2018 and see what it has to offer. First of all, you can see a little unique design in regards to the fiberglass dual clamshell design, which makes for a very dependable, lightweight camper. You follow me through here, it's got some nice little compartments here on the side for storage and propane, and a beautiful step. This is the 9.6 Sportsman model, so it's pretty simple. There are no awnings around it, but it makes for just a really lightweight, easy to use camper. But if you follow me inside, you can see how beautiful this thing really is. For 2018, it's got a beautiful wet bath, fantastic fan above, and sliding door here. And if you just look at the craftsmanship all the way through, huge refrigerator, mirrored, so it just gives you that feeling of more space. Beautiful glass top against the oven and cooktop, 3-burner cooktop. It's just beautiful. Sink cover, which you'd always expect with one huge basin sink. And a lot of people miss this, but up here in the cabinets, as you come around, is your microwave as well. So it is well equipped. Nice U-shaped dinette with the swivel table so that you can get in from any angle and have the flexibility you need for multiple people. Some nice big drawers around. Your control center's right here, and nice queen bed with storage all the way around. Really, if you haven't been in one of these units, you need to come see it. Northern Lite really does stand out with the quality that it offers as being one of the only 5-star campers on the market. So it is used, it is a 2018, but such a great value for longevity. If you have any other questions on this unit or anything else on the lot, please get a hold of me, Jeremy.Orlando, at 541-914-3693. Or better yet, come on down and ask for Jeremy.Orlando.